Hey, Will here, and today we're going to be making the nose cone for our rockets. Pretty simple thing to do. So we're going to take the diameter of the circle that we've originally made, which of course is the 1 1/2 inch, or it's a 3-inch total circle in diameter. And that's going to be our base for it. Then let's go ahead and zoom out just a little bit so we can see some there. And we're going to orbit around it. Now, for making the nose cone, you have two designs. You can make either a straight cone, or you can make a rounded cone. Now, there are advantages to both. The straight cone is a little easier to print. It's faster to print, whereas the rounded cone is actually going to be more aerodynamic, and that's going to help your rocket out in the long run. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a rounded cone. And I'll talk a little bit on how you'd make just the normal cone. So we're going to use our line tool here, and we're going to go from the origin point over on the red axis to the end of our circle. And then, of course, I want to make this, I'm going to make mine about 2 inches high. Oops. Helps if you get it set correctly, too. Alright, so I have my line, and I'm going up on this blue axis here. And just on the bottom part, oh, looks like I messed up on that. So here we'll go up again, and we'll set that to the 2 inch there. Now 2 inches might be a little small, so I'm going to add an additional inch onto this guy. Okay, there we go. And now all I'm going to do is take my 2-point arc tool and connect point A to point B. And of course, I want this following on the red axis. And I get that little message there that says on red axis. You know you will have completed this correctly because it's going to fill in for the shape right there. Once you have this ready to go, of course, use your follow me tool and just have it go around the cone. And it's very important that we check underneath to make sure the bottom is filled. And if it's not, just take your line tool and connect those. Now, as you can see, this nose cone is a little small. So we could probably make this nose cone bigger. An easy way to do that, of course, would just be to use your scale tool. So you'd select scale tool. Well, first you'd select the whole thing. Then you would select your scale tool, and you can drag that up. If you were looking at just making this a straight cone instead of using your 2-point arc, of course you would just use a line tool and make a triangle. When you're ready, make sure you save this, and then we can print this out and continue working on our rockets. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and as always, thanks for watching.